In this video, we are going to make a fruit crepe cake. The ingredients you need for the crepe are milk, butter, gluten-free flour, eggs, cocoa powder, salt, and vanilla extract. Crack the eggs into a large bowl. Mix in the salt and the vanilla extract. Mix in the flour and the cocoa powder. Mix in the milk. Microwave the butter to melt it and mix it into the batter. Brush cooking oil onto a hot pan. Pour on about 1/3 cup of batter and tilt the pan to spread it evenly. Cook on medium-low heat for about 3 minutes. Repeat for the remaining batter. This recipe should make 6 to 8 crepe slices. The ingredients you need for the cheesecake mixture are whipped cream, cream cheese, lemon juice, plain yogurt, sugar, milk, diced fruit, gelatin sheet, and vanilla extract. Mix the cream cheese with the lemon juice, plain yogurt, sugar, and vanilla extract. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 to 10 minutes. Beat the whipped cream to soft peaks. Mix the whipped cream with the cream cheese mixture. Microwave the milk for 30 seconds and add in the soaked gelatin. Mix until the gelatin melts. Mix the gelatin milk into the cheesecake mixture. Line the bottom of a cake mold with a crepe slice. My mold is 7 inches in diameter and 3 inches in height. Pour a thin layer of cheesecake mixture into the mold and tilt it to spread evenly. Do not refrigerate. Push the center of a crepe slice about 1.5 inches into a glass. Scoop in some diced fruit. Fill it with cheesecake mixture. Close the top of the pouch and push it all the way to the bottom of the glass. Make 3 more pouches and refrigerate them for about 30 minutes. Remove the pouches from the glasses and place them in the cake. Fill the large gaps between the pouches with diced fruit. Pour in the remaining cheesecake mixture. Cover the cake with a crepe slice. Cut off the extra portion outside the mold and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Remove the cake from the mold. Place an upside-down plate on top of the cake, turn it over and remove the top plate. Beat half a cup of whipped cream to stiff peaks. Use a medium star tip to pipe a scalloped edge around the bottom edge of the cake. Move the piping tip first away from the cake and slightly backwards, and then forwards about 1 inch and into the cake. Using a large star tip, pipe shell shapes around the top edge of the cake. Start with the piping tip vertical and tilt it towards the inside of the cake. Sprinkle cocoa powder onto the cake. Clean off the extra cocoa powder from the plate. Place diced fruit on the inside edge of the shells.